I mean, Floyd says, and he's not lying, Floyd says there are people who knew that he was leaving, and they begged him not to tell me. But they knew, and it's true. They told me after, some of them, some of your favorites. I called them, I said, come here.
Pokey again.
And then I say, did you know Floyd is leaving? He says, yes. Kere, for how long did you know? He says, no, it's 2 weeks now. So why didn't you tell me? No, I didn't see a need to tell you. And then Floyd gets asked the same question. Why didn't you see a need to tell? Julia says, they respond the same way. I didn't see the need to inform him. And why would you say you care about the EFF? That's not what I'm saying to them. But why would you say you care for the EFF? You get told such a sensitive information. And you don't bring it to the attention of the leadership that, look, there is this thing. I'm not sure how true it is, but it's going to happen. And I said, okay, but what was your advice when that happened? I asked him if his mother prayed for him. I asked him if he prayed about it. And that's it. And then we must still come, Lien. We're human beings, man. Come on. We must still come and still be like, we're sharp, we're fine, we're together.
But you have your human
no, but
you do
organizationally,
well,
you come, you do your work, and then you go your separate ways.